Hey guys, I probably sound like really bad right now because I'm kind of sick, but, I just wanted to say, thanks for the people who are watching my videos, and I love you guys for it. Um, Another thing, sorry about that, is, I don't even know. Oh, my eyes look huge. They never looked really that big lately. But, I don't even know. Let me repaint those again. This one's worse. Oh, it's just this whole hand. It's awful. And one thing is, like, people who are watching my videos are awesome. And I love them for it because I don't really get a lot of people watching my videos. And, well, probably because I just started around Christmas. And I thank everybody who's been watching them because they're awesome. Well, not my videos, because I know my videos are kind of lame. And you know what's mean? My roots are coming back in. And it's stupid because I just dyed this 2 or 3 weeks ago, I think. Sorry if I'm coughing a lot in this video. My mom got me sick. She actually it was my dad who kind of got me sick because my mom had it first. And then my dad got it. And he gave it to me. So, if, one thing I would love to tell you guys is I love you. And I really do mean that. I mean, like, my viewers are awesome. But you guys should just subscribe to me because I make videos almost every day or at least once a week. At least. But I probably I've been probably missing like 4 or 5 days of the time I've been making these. No, it's a couple of days because I was over at my friend's house, and when I'm at my friend's house I don't really do my videos. But, it's just that problem, and, like everybody else, you guys are awesome. I'm gonna be deleting my Facebook, so if you tried adding me and I didn't, I'm sorry. I still have my Twitter and I still have my Instagram, so you guys can find me on those. And I'm sorry about that light's making me mad too. I'm sorry. One thing I wanted to say is that, or one thing, I've been saying that for a while. Another thing I wanted to say is that I'm kind of exhausted right now, so I probably don't act like I'm doing good, but I'm just tired and I'm sick, so I need to help that. If you guys can't, like, watch my videos, at least try to watch some of them because some of them are kind of cool, like my dog hoarding ice. She hoards ice. She's my puppy though, so I don't blame her. I don't know, I just want the snow to go away. That's what all the slide is for. Sorry, I had to pop my neck. I don't know. Like, just crazy week going on, and it's already Tuesday. Yay. Thanks guys, and this has been already going on for 4 minutes. And wait for it. 30 seconds. Sorry, I just had to do that. Like, I don't know, I hope you guys don't get as sick as I am. I just have a cold, and it makes me cough a lot. And, I sound funny, so if you guys can probably notice, but I sound funny. So have a great, awesome day, and I hope you guys are doing good, and I hope every one of you guys have a good week. So I will see you guys or talk to you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.